Hold on tight. Reports are in Bitcoin faces a sudden and strong crash. Don't panic, stay informed. Join us as we navigate through the reasons behind this unexpected downturn and explore what it means for the crypto market. Stay calm and stay with us for the latest updates. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. And we're starting off with Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy Bitcoin portfolio is valued at around $9.7 billion. Michael Saylor is totally into the new money train. No one can create more Bitcoin, that's the ingenious point. Someone can build more real estate, someone can issue more stock, someone can print more fiat, someone can mine more gold, but no one can create more Bitcoin. Are you mentally prepared? There was the 2012, we had the same position as we're looking at right now, where had the same in 2016, starting from 2013 to 2016, it's been accumulating for quite a while, and then the explosion happened. It's been through 2016 to 2019 to 2020 as we exploded then, but it's the same from 2021, 2020 to 2023, 2024 already, and we're looking for a 2025 massive explosion that we are about to see. The Bitcoin spot ETFs put in another very strong performance this week. Grayscale outflows were up, but the total inflow almost doubled again to $2.2 billion, mainly down to impressive number from BlackRock. Also, in the last 1 month, MicroStrategy shares price up by 52% and Coinbase's share price up by 42.76%. Any guess what's in common between two of them? And you already know that's Bitcoin. Once the Bitcoin monthly candles get lit on, then we've seen these explosive moves. From candle close to top wick, January 2013's plus 5500%, December 2016's plus 1900%, November 2020 plus 225%, what will be the 2025 percentage increase? Will this be the fourth cycle in a row to have a diminishing returns, or if it's not? And at $74,000 a Bitcoin, a reasonable target for the near future, on the 3-day chart, Bitcoin confirmed the breakout from the ascending channel that lasted more than a year. The target would be above an all-time high at the 74,000, as meanwhile RSI retest the trend line it broke out from the past October. Massive break-in. 3 more states have introduced a bill to defend your fundamental Bitcoin rights. Ohio, South Carolina, and Mississippi are rallying to defend your liabilities, including your right to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin without undue restriction, right to mine Bitcoin supporting the decentralization and security of the network, right to run a full node contributing to the network resilience and integrity, right to self-custody, ensuring that individuals can securely manage their Bitcoin. So, Representative Dimitro from Ohio, Senator Verdin from Representative of Stevenson from Mississippi, and have all shown the great leadership by sponsoring this critical legislation. There's so much at stake if we do not secure pro-Bitcoin states to protect your access to Bitcoin. I want to tell you more about why these bills matter so much, but first, I need to ask for your help. We cannot win without the support of many. Help us fight for your rights to access the Bitcoin here in the US. Please consider donating to ensure we can continue fighting. Now let me explain why these bills are so important. So, these new bills being introduced in Ohio, South Carolina, and Mississippi are a big deal for anyone who uses Bitcoin in the US. Think of it like this: some power people like Elizabeth Warren are trying to take away your freedom to use Bitcoin the way you want. They don't just dislike Bitcoin, they want to control it and ban you from using it on your own terms. It's like they're trying to take the digital money right out of your hands, but there is some good news. States like Ohio, South Carolina, and Mississippi are fighting back. They're saying not here and trying to create a Bitcoin freedom zones. They want to make sure you can use the digital money without someone over your shoulder telling you what you can do and you can't do. This fight will be critical, and it's a battle between those who love freedom and those who want to take away your rights. If the good guys lose, we could all end up in a world where we can have less control, less opportunity, and less freedom. We need to stand up and make a noise. If we don't, We might wake up one day in a world where we can't use Bitcoin freely anymore, as the passage of these laws promises not just to uphold your fundamental rights, but also to significantly alter the dialogue surrounding Bitcoin and digital assets across the United States. Senator Liz Warren would love nothing more than to curtail the spread of freedom technology, and we can fight back and win, but we need your help. Is Satoshi ever going to sell his Bitcoin? I don't know, but basically I don't think so. He has and holds 1 million Bitcoins, but still the 20 million supply will be only available, and a lot of supply is still banned and inaccessible, forgotten forever, and there may be even less supply than we even think. It's not 21 million, it's already less than that. Just in, Jeff Bezos sells another 2 billion worth of Amazon stock, with a total of 6 billion Amazon shares sold over the last week alone. And still, Bitcoin isn't sold by its creator. Bitcoin fast, sudden, and strong drop now is imminent. Bitcoin is striving to sustain its gains above the $50,000 mark as the maiden cryptocurrency seeks a new all-time high. While a substantial portion of the market anticipates Bitcoin to continue its bullish momentum, supported by catalysts such as the upcoming halving, another segment believes that the leading cryptocurrency is on the verge of a potential crash in the coming days. In particular, crypto analyst Alan Santana in TradingView post on February 16th suggested that Bitcoin is teetering on the edge of significant decline following its recent valuation of 82,000, possibly marking a temporary peak, and analysis centered around the identifying a higher high in Bitcoin's recent performance, amplifying a pronounced bearish divergence with a daily relative strength index. Emphasizing the overextended nature of the current wave, Santana predicted that the next drop is imminent and would be categorized by its speed, suddenness, and strength. In his view, Bitcoin is likely to retest the $35,000 level. So the middle of the range sits around $35,000. The next support level has been confirmed with the $34,000 to $36,000 price range. Since the current wave is already overextended, we can expect the next drop to show up anytime now, fast, sudden, and strong, he said. Bitcoin seeks to hold the $50,000 mark. The gloomy outlook emerged as Bitcoin retested the 52,000 mark, successfully regaining the coveted $1 trillion market capitalization, as these gains follow a week where Bitcoin resiliently bounced back from a deep below $50,000, triggered by the hotter than expected US inflation data, ultimately reclaiming this psychological significant price level. And a recent surge in Bitcoin's value is attributed to heightened influx into Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds, with analysts foreseen increased flows throughout the year, and Standard Chartered analysts, for instance, predicted that spot ETFs could attract between the $50 billion to $100 billion in investments this year alone. And additionally, their market is closely monitoring 7 pending applications before the US SEC to approve a spot Ethereum ETF, as the SEC is expected to make a final decisions on several of those proposals by May. At the same time, the upcoming Bitcoin halving scheduled for April is historical and seen as a bullish catalyst for the leading cryptocurrency. So with that being said, this is all the updates we have for now. There will be more in today's and other videos, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.